Welcome, nature lovers, to a delightful journey into the world of gardening. Today, we're diving into the simple joys of planting gladioli bulbs, those beautiful blooms that add a touch of elegance and charm to any garden space. So, let's roll up our sleeves, grab our gardening tools, and get started on this colorful adventure. Before we dive into the planting process, let's get to know our star of the show, the Gladiolus. These stunning flowers come in a myriad of colors, from vibrant reds and oranges to soft pinks and purples. Their tall, graceful stems make them a favorite choice for flower arrangements and garden borders. Now, let's talk about planting. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, planting gladioli bulbs is a breeze. First things first, choose a sunny spot in your garden with well-draining soil. Gladioli love the sun and thrive in soil that doesn't hold excess water. Once you've found the perfect spot, it's time to dig in. Use a trowel or a small shovel to dig holes about 4 to 6 inches deep. Place your gladioli bulbs in the holes, with the pointed end facing upwards. Don't worry about spacing them too far apart. They like a cozy community. After planting, give your gladioli bulbs a good drink of water. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. During the growing season, a balanced fertilizer once a month will keep your gladioli happy and healthy. Now, here comes the exciting part, watching your gladioli come to life. In just a few weeks, you'll start to see those green shoots pushing through the soil. As they grow, you'll witness a spectacular display of vibrant flowers, each one more beautiful than the last. As your gladioli grow taller, you may need to stake them to provide support. This prevents them from bending or falling over, especially during windy days. When the blooms start to fade, simply snip them off to encourage new growth. When it's time to harvest your gladioli blooms for arrangements or gifts, wait until the bottom 3 flowers on the stem have opened fully. Use sharp scissors to cut the stem at an angle and place them in a vase with fresh water. Your home will be filled with the enchanting fragrance of gladioli. And there you have it, folks, a complete guide to planting and caring for gladioli bulbs. Whether you're adding them to your garden for their beauty or harvesting them for bouquets, gladioli are sure to bring joy and color to your life. So, go ahead, unleash your inner gardener, and let the gladioli magic begin. Thanks for joining us on this gardening adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on nurturing nature's wonders. Until next time, happy gardening.